So today, guys, is my full wash day routine. I'm going to be taking you through exactly what I do. I think you guys know a little bit of what I do. You know, I wash my hair in mini braids most of the times. But today we are going to take you through exactly what I do on a weekly basis, and that's washing my hair and caring for my hair, styling my hair. This is the only time I get to be in my hair, you guys, and after that I'm like done. My hair is tucked away and I leave it alone. Like, this is the only time you see me with my hair. Anyway, so I'm gonna put my hair into these big 4 chunky twists, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my shampoo. You guys, this is the cheapest shampoo. It's literally like $4, so I am that cheap. This works. It perfectly works, does the job for me. It doesn't strip my hair with moisture. So yeah, I like to use this shampoo. I've been using it for a while now. Again, I'm gonna leave every product that I use in this video in the description for you guys to check out. So if I do not remember to mention the name of the product that I'm using, just know that's exactly what I'm doing. I'll put it in the description below. Anyway, so this is very fundamental when it comes to washing my hair on a weekly basis. I like to concentrate my shampoo on the scalp. I like to take my time. I think this is the part that I spend so much of my time doing. It's just cleaning my hair. And the reason why I do use a shampoo on a weekly basis is because I apply products on my hair. I apply grease. I apply all those heavy products on my hair. So I need to wash it out so I can be able to put in new products on my hair. And so if you're not washing your hair with a shampoo, I don't know. I feel like if you're not washing your hair on a shampoo, all the products you're putting on your hair are just sitting on top of your head, or on top of your hair. So I really love to use a shampoo, and I would encourage you to use a shampoo so that your scalp is clean, and where you're applying all the oils and all of those things that you're doing, like, they would land on a really good fresh clean scalp. So do use a shampoo. I love to use a shampoo, and this shampoo lathers up so quickly, and I also love a good lather of my shampoo. I love it. And so yeah, what I do is I go through my hair, finger detangle a little bit. I do not use a comb in the shower, guys. I use my fingers. I just don't use a comb. I only use it when I'm deep conditioning, which is sometimes, and also when I'm sealing in my moisture. But usually when I'm sealing in my moisture is when I use my wide tooth comb or my tangle teaser. But anyway, so this is my hair after, you know, I have used the shampoo. It's shrinking up, but as you guys can notice, it's getting really thick, right? It means we're doing the right thing, so stay tuned on that. Anyway, so yeah, this is my hair after I have washed out the shampoo. Usually after the shampoo, I go in with my deep conditioning or my deep treatment or my mask, whatever I have to use. So yeah, and shrinkage is real, guys. When you're washing hair in the bathroom, your hair is gonna shrink up. It's just what it is, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go in and do my deep treatment mask. Yeah, it looks like this, and I'm just gonna apply it on every hair strand. I also like this part because this is me putting in some moisture back into my hair after my shampoo. And so yeah, by the way, guys, I am not feeling well, so if I sound not good, it's just because I'm having a cold. Anyway, so yeah, I like to apply the mask all over my hair, and I love to work in these sections because it's much easier to manage and just finish up quickly. So yeah, take your time, apply your deep conditioner, make sure that each strand of your hair has some sort of treatment or conditioner on. And yeah, I will go ahead and cover it up for about 30 minutes to an hour. I love to keep it for a long period of time, you guys, but it doesn't matter if you're keeping it for 10 minutes or however minutes it is. The conditioner will do whatever it has to. But for me, I find that, you know, it makes my hair quite soft when I wash it out. But so that I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. This is also very important when you're washing your conditioner out. You guys, make sure that you wash it out. Otherwise, you're going to be applying your moisturizer on a deep conditioner. So on top of some product. So make sure that you really rinse it out. So if you have to unravel your twist for a bit for you to rinse it out, rinse it out. And this deep conditioner is pretty easy to wash out. So yeah, I just washed out immediately, but I know for some deep conditioner it can be hard to get out of your hair. So make sure that you get it out. Even when you're using fenugreek mask, please make sure that it's out of your hair before you apply any other product. So yeah, this is my hair. Usually after my deep treatment or deep conditioner, my hair is quite clean. It's you can see it's shining, you know, you can see there is shine. There's just it's just beautiful. It's just really good when you deep condition and care for your hair. So yeah, this is my hair after the deep condition. It really doesn't look any different than when I have it on, you know, shampoo. But yeah, so the last thing I like to do on my wash day is seal. This is pretty easy, you guys. I have so many videos about how I seal my hair. You know, I go in with my leave-in conditioner, and for this time I just wanted to leave my hair in these really big chunky braids, as you can see. And I'm gonna go in with my cream and I'm gonna go in with my DIY oil, the Rosemary and Amla oil, to seal in all that moisture. Sometimes I use grease on this tape, but because I was going to have my hair in a different style later that week, I didn't want to seal with the grease, because when you seal with grease, you cannot do anything during the week. You cannot apply any moisturizer again, because then it's already sealed, and so whatever you're going to put on grease is just going to stay on top of your hair. It's not going to go anywhere into your hair. So this time around I didn't use grease because I wanted to, you know, style my hair during the week. So I wanted to re-moisturize my hair a little bit during the week, and then, you know, so I used the oil. But yeah, I went to put in my hair into these big chunky braids. Usually when I put my hair in these big braids, that's usually my style. Like after like a day or two, I just take them out and it gives me like a perfect braid out. And usually that's pretty much what I do. I do not spend a lot of time on my wash day. It's pretty easy. I've been doing this for a while now, so I do not take a lot of time. So yeah, so I go ahead, I moisturize my scalp a little bit more, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hopefully I was able to take you through what I do. It's not necessarily new, but I hope you enjoyed something. I don't know. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me some love on these videos, guys. I'm trying to be very consistent, and it's not that easy, but you guys are showing me some love by liking the videos, so make sure to stay tuned.